Want to use VPN on Android phone? The first thing you want to do is download and install the VPN. For that, head over to Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. If you want to look for a specific VPN such as NordVPN, then go ahead and type in the full name. Now you will find it. Tap on the install option. If you're not looking for a specific one, simply type in VPN. Now you will find different results over here. Go ahead and install whichever you want. To install, simply tap on the install option. Now, once it has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed. Then tap on the open option. Now, the next step is to set up VPN. For that, you want to select the default language. Now here, tap on next. Once you get to this page, you simply want to tap on this button over here to connect. If you want a different server, simply tap over here. Now go ahead and select your preferred country. For example, I'm going to select United States. Go ahead and select whichever city you want. Then it will now start to connect. Once you are connected to the secure server, you can now start surfing the internet. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.